Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use Trello offline on your iPhone 12. So let's begin. First, we need to open the Trello while you still have internet. Your birds will load on the phone, and later, if you lose your connection, you can still open birds and edit cards. For example, here you can also add some. When the internet comes back, Trello will sync your changes automatically, as you can see. Offline mode is useful when you're traveling or working outside. And that's all. Thank you for watching and see you later.